Sup YouTubers, this is Tim Yu-Gi-Oh 2 and today I'm bringing you a pack opening for Lord of Tachyon Galaxy. These are my sneak peek packs. As you can see, they now come in 5-pack player packs. So yeah, first of all we also get this really nice Mecha Phantom Beast Turtle Racer. It's the promo card. It's pretty cool. So yeah, here we go. First pack, we have High Tide on Fire Island, Battling Boxer Glassjaw, Fire King Avatar Garunix, we have Red Ops Dragon Ruler of Boulders. It's pretty cool. And we have a super rare Noble Arms of Destiny. We have a Shark Kraken, a Dragon Carnation, and a Magnum Shield. And we also have a Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Leopard. So, good opening pack. We have a Memory Loss, a Battling Boxer Glassjaw, Aerial Recharge, Parsec the Interstellar Dragon, we have an Exceed Revenge, oh, and we have a secret rare Totem Bird. It's a pretty cool card. We have Exceed Block, we have a Common Exceed, King of the Feather Lymphs. It's actually a pretty cool card. And we have Battling Boxer Counterpunch. So two really good packs to start off with. Super and a secret rare. So I can get for you in pack 3. We have Memory Loss, High Tide of the Fire Island, Brother of the Fire Fist Wolf, Battling Boxer Switch Hitter. Oh, lovely! We have the rare Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. That's what I wanted. Really good. Only a rare. Oh, and we have a Consular Omega. 3 hollows from 3 packs. Really good. Battling Boxer Sparta, Legendary Atlantean Tridon, and Jewels of the Valiant. So that's a super, an ultra, and a secret from 3 packs. So we go, pack number 4. We have Rizbal the Star Adjuster. We have a Lightning Dragon Ruler of Drafts. We have Dote Dutango. We have Mecha Phantom Beast Black Falcon. We have Blaster Dragon Ruler of Infernos. We have Burner Dragon Ruler of Sparks. So we've got little and larger. We have Mermail Abyssosia. Fire Formation Kaio. And Mecha Phantom Beast Stealth Ray. No hollow from that pack, but we did get one of the Element Dragons. And the final pack, we have Sonic Warrior, Fire Fist Wolf again. We have Bachi. We have Parsec the Interstellar Dragon again. We have a Wheel of Prophecy. We have Blizzard Falcon. We have another King of the Feather Lymphs common. Radius the Half Moon Dragon. And we have a Tasakawa Knight. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that opening. Got some really good pulls there. Super rare Noble Arms of Destiny, the ultra rare Consular Omega, and secret rare Totem Dragon. So really good 5 packs there. Hope you enjoyed the pack opening. Please subscribe and like the video. Peace.